Bonjour and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Kai and I'm a full-time illustrator based in France. So back in July while I was working on my Draw Every Day for 1 month challenge, my wife came to me and asked if I could help her to make a digital children's book as a birthday gift for one of her best friends whom I also know from her. I said yes immediately because drawing for the publishing industry is something that I have always been very interested in. I have worked with publishing clients before, but not for children's book, and it has been something I'm working towards since I decided to go full-time illustrator. Just like any other project, the first step of becoming a children's book illustrator is to have a portfolio that is dedicated to it. Something you could send to the children's book publisher or author that they think would bring their stories to life and attract more readers. That is why I thought the birthday gift idea was awesome. It would be a very original and authentic gift, crafted with time and love. Meanwhile, it would also be perfect for my drawing challenge and could potentially become a portfolio that I could send out to publishers later on. So my wife drafted a short simple story and I started to lay them out and tested them with different illustration ideas that could go well with the text. In the end, we came out with 9 pages and I worked on 12 illustrations in total. The whole digital prototype came out nicely within 2 weeks. Our friend's birthday finally came and she absolutely loved it. She even printed them out to share with her family and friends and told us she almost cried as it was one of the best birthday presents she ever received. It was such a humbling project and I was very touched as well. So with her permission, I will be sharing all of the drawings I made and the final digital prototype of this children's book with you in this video. I could not explain how grateful I am. After more than 3 years of not actively creating or drawing, this small creative project reminded me of the joy that art could bring and what changes we could make as artists. So if you are a creative person, just keep creating because your art matters. Of course, I think it's important that first and foremost, we make art that we enjoy working on ourselves before trying to make a profit or living out of it, if that is what you wish to do, of course. Please know that it is totally fine to keep it as a hobby. You don't even have to share it with anyone so long as it makes you happy. Speaking of which, my friend here is also a very good seamstress who makes custom clothing, so please get in touch with her if you are interested in commissioning a custom piece, especially if you live in Japan. I will leave her Instagram profile's link in the description below, so do go check her out. Other than that, I'm actually opening my commission starting today. In fact, when this video is up, you might have already seen it on my Instagram. So if you haven't yet, please go check out my Instagram for more details and information on how to commission me. Again, link is in the description below. It is actually super exciting that after months of preparation and paperwork to set up as a self-employed artist in France, I could finally accept work or commission requests legally. If by any chance any publisher or author saw this and wishes to hire me to draw your story, please definitely get in touch. Meanwhile, I'm also working on launching my personal website, so please stay tuned as more exciting things are coming very soon. In the upcoming video, I will be compiling all my drawings and sharing all of my findings and thoughts from my 1 month drawing challenge. So remember to subscribe so you will get notified when it comes out. Meanwhile, you could also check out my shorts for many of my drawing processes from the drawing challenge. I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao!